There's been some massive news lately about Rigetti Computing, a quantum computing stock, and of course the quantum computing industry overall is capturing a massive tailwind after Alphabet's Google announced a breakthrough in the technology. Rigetti Computing stock price is absolutely soaring up to $11 a share, exploding from less than $1.50 back in October. So in this video, I'm going to review those latest news items from Rigetti and answer what it could mean for investors in this innovative technology company.
I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
So as I shared with you, the stock price is absolutely soaring. Look at the slope of this increase is steeper than Mount Everest here, climbing from less than $1.50 a share in October all the way up to $11.15 as of this recording. Of course, the latest announcement came from Rigetti on December 10th, 2024, which the company said Quantum Machines, which is the leading provider of processor-based quantum controllers, and Rigetti Computing, which is a pioneer in full-stack quantum classical computing, announced an application of artificial intelligence to automate the calibration of a quantum computer. Previously, the calibration of this quantum computer needed to be done manually, and it took a lot longer to complete rather than doing it using artificial intelligence. This is yet another use case of AI in how it's helping industries improve productivity and reduce costs. You can understand why there's been so much enthusiasm for AI stocks in 2024, and now quantum computing stocks like Rigetti are getting in on the action, and quantum computing is the cutting-edge technology that's even more innovative than artificial intelligence, although quantum computing is in much earlier days compared to artificial intelligence, which already had its big breakthrough moment with the large language model ChatGPT. Rigetti saying that this achievement not only showcases the potential of AI in quantum computer calibration, but also highlights the growing maturity and collaboration with the quantum computing ecosystem. Quantum Elements use their software to achieve high accuracy in setting up individual and pairs of qubits, reaching 99.9% single qubit fidelity and 98.5% two-qubit gate fidelity. These are critical milestones for the quantum computing industry. And remember, for a younger company like Rigetti, hitting each of these milestones makes it easier for the company to raise capital. And then the money that they get, they can utilize in more research and development to hit more milestones. So the key for companies like Rigetti is to continue hitting milestones, making progress, and that progress facilitates more funding, which adds more people, adds more expertise, gives them more time to reach the next milestone, and it can be a positive virtuous cycle, as Rigetti has demonstrated. Remember, on November 26th, the company raised $100 million with the direct offering of common stock, priced at $2 per share. I bet you the company or the investors that bought Rigetti at $2 per share in this offering are celebrating right now, given that the share price is over $11 a share. Rigetti saying that the proceeds of those $100 million that they got on November 26th will be adequate enough to fund the company for its current technology development and on-premises quantum computer business strategy without the need to raise additional capital. That's a key there, is they say without the need to raise additional capital. But given that the share price has more than 5x'd since this moment, since this offering, I wouldn't be surprised if Rigetti doesn't go back to capital markets and says, hey, let's raise maybe another $100 or $200 million, maybe even more, now that our share price is so much higher, now that investor enthusiasm for our company is at an all-time high. Let's secure that funding, even though we don't need it. This is a great time to secure that funding, give us more runway, give us more time, relieve the pressure off our back, and get that money secured. I wouldn't be surprised if there's an announcement of another public offering here of more shares from Rigetti. So they go on to say that calibrating quantum computers has become one of the most significant bottlenecks in scaling quantum systems. Today, it can take weeks to months of expert time to develop the model properly, to calibrate even a modest-sized quantum processor, and hours, sometimes daily, to rerun those calibrations. So you can imagine having to do all that manually all the time. With artificial intelligence now, that saves them significant time and allows them to scale. So manual calibration by quantum physicists simply won't scale with their ambitions for larger quantum computers. Remember, quantum physicists are not as readily available as any type of worker that you might need, right? Quantum physicists are rare. There aren't that many qualified individuals that you can hire to fulfill these services. And so this is not just for cost control, this is not just for improving cost, but also in reducing that constraint. You're now not limited by the limits of the talent available for this technology to implement this technology. You can use AI now. So they go on to say that using automated processes, both QRISE and quantum elements achieved performance levels matching their rigorous system specifications. And this is work that can require weeks of manual tuning by a skilled engineering team. The ongoing work with NVIDIA to leverage AI in quantum computing operations. In September, Quantum Machines worked with NVIDIA to demonstrate the successful use of reinforcement learning to optimize a control pulse for Rigetti QPU in real time using the NVIDIA DGX quantum platform. So utilizing artificial intelligence, utilizing the breakthroughs that NVIDIA has made in accelerated computing and applying it to quantum computing. The advancements in technology have been quick in recent years. As you've noticed with artificial intelligence, newer and more innovative large language models are coming out almost monthly, and now quantum computing breakthroughs are coming through quite regularly as well, as we've seen in recent months, the breakthrough from Alphabet, the breakthrough from Rigetti, and breakthroughs from other companies like IonQ and quantum computing, etc. So the advancements in technology are accelerating in recent years, not surprisingly given the breakthrough in accelerated computing from NVIDIA and the industry overall. NVIDIA, thankfully, will be updating and upgrading its technology every year, and those improvements will open other opportunities in areas like quantum computing. Hey everyone, so many of you have been asking about my investing strategy, and I'm excited to announce that I've written a book that's available for sale now that describes my 6-step investing framework for evaluating stocks. I've added the link in the description below.